I hope you all are doing good. And today, me and mom going to meet mom's friend in the hospital first, and then my mom's sister. And afternoon we have appointment with the geshela, and we are going to Tibetan monastery. But I don't think so I can show all the monastery and special geshela because first time I'm going to meet geshela. So anyway, we got very beautiful flowers and now we are on the way, so let's go. Thank god today weather also not bad, and it's good to go out. Okay, now we are going to meet my mom's friend, so let's go. Okay, so we already meet our mom's friend and she's in the hospital, so I can't show her. But now we are going to meet mom's sister, so let's go. Okay, now we are heading towards the Gayak and it's a beautiful place. Okay, we reached near sister's house and mom calling her. Okay, here mom and her sister, so they are busy to talk, and I'm having green tea. Cheers, people.
Il sort en entier aujourd'hui. Ouais, mais ça se trouve, mais...
C'est parti. Okay guys, so now we are going to Tibetan monastery to meet geshela, so let's go. geshela din je saira ani geshela video lo gena ya ko mi do chita ande gombata korachi gya ante na lo de rechi e kipto ko du chena da nimangi thematik da yo ti che tar video gya saira, so the drink rounds je chi ding video chinju chi segar gomba koran de.
Ouais, on est en voiture. Ça s'est bien passé? Super. Vous partez.
Okay, so now we are going back to home. Going back to home. Way. Okay guys, so just back to home and I want to show a very special thing. Ta-da! This is gift from geshela and I'm so happy, so happy. Thank you so much geshela. Tujina geshela, so ngadring yo geshela jesra geshela jen ani geshela di yo ngala gift esra andi kechen boing asra ani diganara di color hino gora changma color chilap da changma top chagyore so ngayu go jungsra ani ndidu da ngimba ya murara, so tanga ko do ni bi kindre da ra de ro jinji jera khe deu che onde chini geshela nga nangsra. So geshela tujinang, thank you so much. So I got from geshela and it's a very blessed and yes, special things. that's all today's video. And as I said, I can't show you all the monastery and special geshela because first time I'm meeting with him, and it was very uncomfortable to make video and all. So yeah, but it's okay. If next time I got opportunity to meet him, then I will show you definitely. So that's all today's video, and I hope you all like it. If you like, then please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you soon with new video. Peace, take care, and love you all. Bisous bisous, bye bye.